You know, we hear all the time about AI changing the world in these huge ways, right? Like medicine and finance. But what about the really specific, nitty-gritty jobs? Today, we're going to zoom in on one of those, plastic injection molding. It's a world where every tiny detail matters. And we're going to look at a brand new AI tool from Cortex system called MoldiBot, which is built to tackle some of the most frustrating, time-sucking problems that engineers in this field face every single day.
Okay, let's be real. We've all been there. You're deep in a project, you're using this incredibly powerful but super complex piece of software. And bam, you hit a wall. You know the answer you need is somewhere in the documentation, but it's buried in like hundreds of pages. It feels like looking for a needle in a haystack, and it is absolutely maddening. It's just a universal pain for anyone working in a technical field.
And look, this isn't just a small frustration. In a high-stakes world like plastic injection molding, every single minute you're delayed is actual money being lost. This constant hunt for information, it creates these bottlenecks that can completely derail project timelines, stall out production, and just eat away at the bottom line. It's a huge hidden cost that really adds up.
Let's just break down what we're talking about here. First, there's the hours and hours lost just digging through these dense technical manuals. Then you've got projects literally sitting idle while you wait for someone to get back to your support ticket. You're wrestling with all this super specific jargon. And if you're working with teams around the world, you have language barriers thrown in on top of it all. These aren't just little inconveniences, you know? They're big, systemic problems that are just begging for a modern solution.
So, facing this exact challenge, Cortex system, they're the minds behind the really popular Moldex3d simulation software. They basically said, okay, time for a totally new approach. They saw what was happening with generative AI and realized it was the perfect chance to build a real solution from the ground up.
And the answer they came up with is actually pretty simple in concept, but it's so powerful when you see it in action. What if you had a dedicated, intelligent assistant that was available all the time, 24/7, like an on-demand expert that literally never sleeps and is always there to help you out?
And here it is, MoldiBot. Now this isn't some clunky separate app you have to go download. It's an assistant that's built right into the Moldiverse cloud platform. And its whole purpose in life is super clear. Give instant, expert-level support to anyone using the Moldex3d software, or frankly, anyone who's just stuck on a tough injection molding problem. But how does it actually work, right? Because this can't just be a generic chatbot that's pulling random answers off the internet. To be genuinely useful, it had to be a true specialist. So let's pop the hood and see what's powering this thing.
The real secret sauce is in the training. So they started with a really powerful foundation, ChatGPT technology, but that was just the starting line. From there, Cortex started layering on super specific knowledge. They trained it on their own professional courses, they fed it every single technical document in their library, and they even had it learn from hours and hours of video tutorials. Basically, MoldiBot did all the homework so you don't have to.
Okay, so we get the problem, and we see the cool tech behind the solution. But what does this actually mean for the person who's in the software every day? How does this really change the way they work?
Well, the difference is just night and day. I mean, look at this. The old way involved manually digging through docs, sending an email, and then waiting, sometimes for days. The new way, you ask a question, you get an answer in seconds, anytime, day or night. And it's not just spitting out text, it gives you direct links right back to the source document so you can check its work. Plus, with its multilingual skills, language just stops being a roadblock to getting the help you need, exactly when you need it.
So what does all this add up to? Well, it's a massive shift in efficiency. You're slashing search time, you're getting instant multi-language support, it frees up engineers to do the job they're actually there to do, solve tough problems, and innovate. This isn't just about making things a little more convenient. It's about giving people back their most valuable assets, their time and their brain power.
You know, something like this isn't just a single feature release. The introduction of a tool like MoldiBot really points to a much bigger vision for where the entire plastic injection molding industry is headed, a future that's driven by smart, data-first technology.
And this quote from the company itself really drives that point home. They see this as part of a long-term strategy. It's about pushing the core simulation technology forward, while at the same time making that powerful tech way easier and more efficient for people to actually use. The end goal here is to lift up the entire industry.
So when you see a tool like MoldiBot, which is so incredibly tailored to solve the unique problems of one specific industry, it really gets you thinking, doesn't it? It's a fantastic model for how to tackle these really niche challenges. And it kind of leaves us with this big, fascinating question. Which highly specialized field is going to be the next one to get its own game-changing AI transformation?